All right, hello everybody, and welcome back to another Onshape lesson. In the last lesson, I taught you how to use the extrude tool to extrude material as well as remove material, and we made this cylinder last time. And this time, I will be showing you another tool that can extrude material, but in a different type of way, and it's called the Loft tool. And what this tool basically does is, if you have two different sketches on two different planes, the Loft tool will basically merge those two planes by connecting them with material in between them. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. First of all, we need to get rid of what we already have. So we can disable this part, or not disable, we can hide it by clicking the eye next to part 1, and then we can still see the sketch from earlier, so let's hide that too. So hide sketch 1, like that. Alright, now we can start on our new part. First, I'm going to create a new sketch on the top plane, like this. And let's see, we'll use a rectangle this time. Just going to click on the origin and then drag it out and enter dimensions without clicking anything else. Let's say, let's do 80 by 50. All right. Next. Okay, so this plane is done. This is all you need for one side of the loft. Now we need to make whatever it's going to connect to. So we need to create a new plane for that so we can make a different sketch. And we're just going to go to the plane tool. Then we're going to click on the top plane and make sure it's set to offset. So we're going to make a new plane that is offset from the top plane. So it'll be parallel to the top plane, but it'll be at a different height. So let's put this thing 40 millimeters above the top plane. The green check mark. All right, now let's create a new sketch on the new plane that we made, like this. And I'm going to press N to center it. This, and then again, we're going to create another rectangle. Then starting from the origin, we're going to drag out. And then I'm going to make this one 60 by 30. The green check mark. All right, now we have two 2D sketches on different planes, and now this is when we can use the Loft tool. So click on Loft, and then we're gonna do surface, because we're gonna be merging two surfaces. And now we can select the profiles. We're gonna select the first profile, then the second profile, this. And now we'll have merged them, and you just have to click check. And there we go. So basically all it does is connect the lines from your top sketch and your bottom sketch. So we created a sort of box shape like this. And we can also go back and edit our sketches, change how the loft looks. So we can go back to sketch number 2, which is the bottom plane, and we can edit the values to say, let's make it smaller than the top plane. So 40 by 20. Hit the green check mark, and now the Loft tool will automatically adjust. as long as your loft action is after your sketches, you can change anything before your loft action and it'll apply to the loft automatically. All right, so that is it for today's lesson. That is basically how you use the Loft tool. And in the next lesson, I will be showing you how to use some of the other tools.